Good morning, all. So we are on day 2 of our 3-day writing process. So yesterday you should have gathered strong evidence, chosen a claim, and looked at the parts of a strong argument written by an 8th grader, and then started to draft your own argument. So choosing how you're going to do your hook, your background. So today I need you to start writing. I want to show you, today is the 21st. Your benchmark is the 28th. So we have a week between now and the benchmark. And then next week is the last week before spring break. So hurrying you along because there's not a lot of time left, and we want to get as much learning and creation done as possible in the time that we have. So again, the plan is, looking at the calendar, yesterday we plan, today we write, tomorrow we revise and submit. On Friday, we start working with small group text. Monday, small group text. Tuesday, small group text. Wednesday, you are going to take your benchmark. Thursday, we finish up with small group text. And Friday. And then this week, you're going to be writing your final essay. And that you will do completely on your own without support. So, let's look at what we have for today. In your Schoology course, at the very top, it's going to say Unit 3 Midterm Essay. This is where you will type your essay. I have attached an essay document, so yours will look a little different. Yours is going to say My Document, which you'll click. Then you'll click Edit. If you open up the document, it says instructions. You will answer your essay question below. Essay question: should the government have the right to intervene in Americans' lives to encourage healthy lifestyles? So below this, you will write your full essay. So let's review. Yesterday, you gathered evidence. This will be the evidence that you put into your essay. Yesterday, we reviewed the parts of an argument essay. You were supposed to color code only on this part and then look for them here so you know what each part can look like and the type of reasoning and how to show evidence. So this was a review of argument essay. This is where you planned your own. So you took the document and you started to plan. So today, you will write. So I'm going to open up the PowerPoint for today. I'm going to put the video here once it's done. I'm also going to put the video here so it's connected. In Schoology, some of you asked for the PowerPoints, so this is how you get to the PowerPoints. You'll open the Q3 folder, you'll go to Daily Work, and then here are the PowerPoints for this week. So that is Tuesday, yesterday's PowerPoint, today's PowerPoint, tomorrow's revision PowerPoint. The videos aren't done, I still have to make them. All right, so writing today. If you need to contact me, you can send me a message in Schoology. You can also click Members, click my name and my info, and you can send me a direct email. So we need to be writing. Have a great day.